AI side hustles sound easy, so why do they feel so complicated? By now, you've probably watched a viral step-by-step AI side hustle video. Lively comments section, good likes ratio, and the tutorial looks easy enough. The creator says, just follow this exactly. They show a clean workflow, everything looks smooth. They say it's easy, so you pull up your sleeves and said, let's lock in and make money. Step 1. Sign up for the AI tool. Okay, done. Step 2. Generate content with the AI. Still fine. Then suddenly, you hit a limit. Upgrade to Pro. Daily limit reached. Export feature locked. And now you're thinking, wait, I thought this was free? But okay. You push through, you think, maybe I'll just do it manually. Then comes the next surprise. The technique they showed actually takes a lot of time. Way more time than they made it look. Editing, copy-pasting, fixing AI mistakes, rendering, uploading. Suddenly, your easy AI side hustle is taking tens of hours or maybe even days to complete. And if you haven't given up yet, you probably tell yourself something like, it's fine, this is the setup phase. So you keep going, in hopes of making a lot of money. Then you finally upload your first video, you're proud of it. You refresh the page, 0 views, hours have gone by, and that's it. No comments, no traction, no algorithm love. Especially if it's something like an AI YouTube Kids channel, or a faceless AI video niche. Now comes the dangerous part. Doubt. You start thinking, did I do something wrong? Is the niche dead? Did YouTube shadow ban me? Did the AI mess up the video? Or worse, maybe this AI side hustle doesn't work at all. Here's the truth. Nothing went wrong. You just experienced what most AI side hustle tutorials don't talk about. First problem. Most step-by-step tutorials rely on tools that are either paid or heavily limited. Creators don't lie, but they don't pause the video and say, by the way, this part costs money. So when you hit the limit, you feel stuck, and stuck feels like failure. Second problem, the workflow looks fast because it's edited. In real life, it's slow. AI still needs guidance, fixing human judgment. So what was supposed to be automated is actually semi-manual. That's exhausting for a side hustle. Third problem, you expect results too early. Especially with YouTube, uploading one AI video and getting 0 to 20 views is normal, painfully normal. But tutorials rarely show that part. They jump straight to, after 3 months, I made this much. They skip the quiet middle. Here's the part most people don't hear. AI side hustles don't fail because AI doesn't work. They fail because expectations are wrong. People expect 3 things: free tools forever, recurring income, immediate results. And when any one of those breaks, they quit. Let me reframe this for you. AI side hustles are not plug and play. They are build and refine. The first version is slow. The first tool hits limits. The first videos flop. That's not failure. That's the normal starting phase. Especially with things like AI YouTube Kids channels, low views at the start doesn't mean the idea is bad. It means the channel has no history. YouTube doesn't trust you yet, and trust takes time. So why does it feel complicated? Because no one tells you that the middle part is boring. The part where tools are limited, workflows are messy, and results are quiet. That's where most people quit. Here's the honest truth. If you stop when the tool asks you to upgrade, or when the process feels slow, or when your first video flops, you're not bad at AI, you just stopped at the same place. Almost everyone else stops. The people who succeed do one thing differently. They simplify, they don't chase the perfect AI tool, they accept limits and design around them. They reduce steps. They commit to volume over perfection. Instead of thinking, this should already be working, they think, this is still the setup phase. That mindset alone keeps them going. So if you've tried a step-by-step AI side hustle and gave up halfway because the tool wasn't fully free, because it took too long, because your first video got 20 views, that doesn't mean you failed. It means you experienced the real version. And once you understand that, AI side hustles stop feeling complicated. They start feeling predictable, slow at first, messy in the middle, simple later. If this video made you think, oh, that's exactly what happened to me, good, that means you're learning. What most tutorials skip, If you want, subscribe to the channel. Here we talk about real AI side hustles, what actually goes wrong, and how everyday people can push past the messy middle without burning out. No hype, no pretending it's easy, just honest progress.